Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another part of my Zara haul. Hope you like the outfit and the hair. I decided to go natural just because I could have been asked to do my hair. But anyway, let's get into the Zara haul. Okay, so here's the first look, and it's like this beach style skirt and this embroidered top. I'm wearing a sports bra, sorry, I'm being a bit lazy. I don't like either of them. The skirt is £50 and the top is £33. I think they're both overpriced. The skirt, I think you're better off just waiting for the summer sale because there's nothing that's at £50 to me. Maybe the material is quite nice, but if you look, that's the lining of it. Okay, I think they've got extra lining at the bottom, and they've just some material and then this string with the elastic to adjust. The price point isn't worth it. Sorry about that. The price point isn't worth it. I don't think the skirt is pretty enough for it. I would wait for the summer sales. You get this. It's still nice, but I think you get it cheaper. Sleeves a bit on the long side, but I do like the embroidery. It's very, very pretty. I'll give you a little closer up detail. I got the shirt in an extra small and the skirt in a small. This is just how I done the outfit, but I'll take out the shirt as well so you can see kind of the length of it. They don't completely match, but you know, it's an outfit idea. Here is this jumpsuit from Zara. It's £52. I got it in an extra small. Love the print of it. Really nice, colourful, and the material feels really, really nice. Shape wise, they always do these really, really long pants with jumpsuits. So many of them do this. It's so annoying because I'm short. I understand for taller girls they need it, but for shorter girls I wish they could do like a petite range for Zara because this is weird. Feels really, really nice. And on the side you've got like you can make a bow because you can make some, I can't explain, but it's the attachment of two, and then you can style it as you wish. And then here is the back, so it's like one shoulder. It's okay. Again, I think it's too expensive. I wouldn't pay this price. It could be nice for a holiday, like a late Como, maybe in September. Or it could be nice for a wedding if you don't want to wear a dress. It's alright. Quite baggy up here as well for an extra small. But it's going to be returned for me because I just don't love it. I only want to keep items in my closet that I love or I got for a really good price. Again, I think this is an item that you can get in the Zara sale, so I wouldn't buy it right now. I would probably just wait. I don't think it's that incredible. I was ranting about my outfit and then I went to close the video and guess what it said? Card full. So embarrassing. Let me do this again then. So this is the jumpsuit that I got. It's from Zara. It's £50. Got it in the size small. I don't like it. One, because the boobie area is doing too much and I need a safety pin. Plus the price point is a latter. Because I already have so many clothing items that I own and I'm now at a point where I'm nearly like saturated. Like I will always buy like an item or so because style changes, your figure changes, what you want to wear changes. However, I also, if I'm going to spend the money, I want to love the item. I just don't want to build like a wardrobe because I already have it, you know what I mean? Like I can just go on a wardrobe for whatever occasion and I have something I can wear. So this to me doesn't scream I need it. So I know it look nicer when it's ironed. I just don't like ironing. I will only iron something when I'm just about to leave the house. That's the only time. The fabric is gorgeous. It's really, really nice. Still got a bit of a length, but not too bad. The back is amazing. Love the style of the back. £50 to me is a lot of money. I don't think it's worth it. I would wait for the summer sale because I definitely think this item will be in the summer sale. Don't think it's that popular. But it's a nice piece for someone who likes neutral, and I like neutrals too, I like the colour of it. I just don't like the price. If it was a tenner, maybe. But for this price point, Next up is this cute little green skirt and tank top from Zara. I will add it. It's something that I just owned. Oh, and these shoes, they're actually my mom's, but I have the same thing. I just packed them because I'm off soon 2 weeks time I'll be in Italy. I'm gonna see if I can vlog it. I might be too lazy though, I don't have a vlogging camera. Maybe I'll use my iPhone. We'll see. Because we're doing a week in Italy by train. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so yeah, this is the skirt. Quite cute. I like the design here with the belt. I got it in a size small and it was £30. Satin material is really, really nice. I really do love the colour of it. It's very striking and different. I think it works lovely with my skin colour as well. I think it's alright. It's alright. Again, probably an item that you see in the Zara sale, so I'll probably hold off unless you know you want to wear it right now. My advice is, if there's an item that you know is going to sell out because it's amazing, or something that you want to wear right now, like today or like in a week's time, then get it. But if you can wait and hold out, wait for the sale, especially for items like this. Alrighty, and this is the next thing. It was kind of weird on the website, but I thought it would look quite nice on. Again, another item to wait in the sale. I feel like everything that I've tried on today hasn't really hit that mark, like I want to keep anything, but they're all really nice items that you can wait for in the sale. Get yourself a really good discount, in my opinion. So it's got this deep, like, triangle, got it, triangle, it's not a triangle. It's got this deep, V-cut, what is like an upside down triangle. And then the zebra print with the blue and the brown, just lovely. Oh, it gives me like really safari vibes, like if you went to like South Africa or Zimbabwe, went to safari, this would be incredible. It's striking. It's not black and white, but I love the blue. The skirt has a slit on the side, which is cute, and I like this little detail here that's just holding the fabric. And the back. So the top was £30 and the skirt was £33. So kind of expensive for this little outfit, so that's why I'll say wait for the sale. I got this in a size small. I couldn't button it up, I need help to button it. And then the skirt, I got that in a size small as well. And lastly, some beautiful colour. Absolutely love this piece. Really nice, simple, great for like a picnic or in a garden centre, or just, you know, if you're like a mum and you've got little kids and you just want to chase after them in the summertime. I can't wait to be a little mummy, but I need a daddy first. I need them to have a dad first. Anyway, this is really nice. The belt is cute, the buttons are lovely. I'll show you the back as well. It's so flowy and free, and it works great with the natural hair. It was £50 extra small. Again, wait for the sale unless you love it right now, but I think you can get a really good price in the Zara sale. I think it's in July and August.